It's time to lace them up, time to reach out. Let's go. See, I gotta lace them up. See, I got to be equipped. Gotta flood them with the truth. Testify with the intent to spark a flame in the winter souls. Work hard and roam, so I gotta testify and get my summer on. God, give me the breeze, give me the sun to shine on these seas and help me to tell them why I'm breathing. A second chance, maybe even a third. You may have been through a grip, but there's a lot more to learn. Like catching smiles from the blessings I pitch and listening to my sister to stay inside God's grip. I'm holding on, praying he won't let go, and can't deny him like Peter did 3 times before. Oh no, I can't deny the man above me. Even though I do wrong, he continues to love me. So I gotta reach the world with what he blessed and gave me, and I'm thankful that he reached out to save me.
Help me to reach, help me to go, help me to touch and testify to a soul. Give me the peace, find me a place to give fire to every heart that is cold. Help me to reach, help me to go, help me to touch and testify to a soul. Give me the peace, find me a place to give fire to every heart that is cold.
No better feeling in the world than when you up with the Lord. All of these struggles in my life, he's steady banging the door, telling me to open up, trying to give me his light, saying there's a heaven above and what a beautiful sight to see. But if you with it, then you gotta come in through the gates of heaven. Is the only way you gonna win. To defend his beautiful name is the right way to go. He's my Lord and Savior, and I'm just trying to let the world know. Mind in a maze, but I gotta swallow my pride. Final destination in my life is right by his side, cause the Lord is calling me and I'ma follow his way. Every day I'm giving him praise, looking for them brighter days. In times of trouble, even though the trials may come, I'ma keep pushing the pedal, making sure the war is won, is done. Never gonna stop me from reaching for his hand, and when I get there I'ma tell him I'm his #1 fan, the man.
Help me to go, help me to touch and testify to a soul. Give me the peace, find me a place to give fire to every heart that is cold. Help me to reach, help me to go, help me to touch and testify to a soul. Give me the peace, find me a place to give fire to every heart that is cold. My mind is telling me that I can't go any longer, but my heart is telling me that I just gotta be stronger, to cry out to everyone in this world and be a light to every boy and girl. It's time that we start thinking about you,